Welcome back to Acker Studio, your ultimate destination for captivating and innovative home design ideas.
Indoor courtyard gardens have long been cherished as a defining feature of Mediterranean minimalist houses. These lush sanctuaries provide an oasis of tranquility and a harmonious blend of nature and architecture, making them a coveted addition to modern homes. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve deeper into the myriad benefits of indoor courtyard gardens, and we'll unveil the secrets to incorporating these verdant spaces into your own home. Benefits of indoor courtyard gardens. Improved air quality. One of the most prominent advantages of indoor courtyard gardens is their ability to enhance indoor air quality. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, effectively acting as natural air purifiers. This means cleaner, fresher air for you and your family. Reduced stress. Studies have consistently shown that spending time in natural surroundings can significantly reduce stress levels. Indoor courtyard gardens create a mini oasis within your home, providing a peaceful retreat where you can unwind and de-stress, helping to improve your overall well-being. Increased natural light. The thoughtful placement of an indoor courtyard garden allows natural light to penetrate deeper into your home. This not only reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day but also contributes to a brighter, more cheerful atmosphere that can lift your mood. Improved aesthetics. Beyond the practical benefits, indoor courtyard gardens add a distinctive touch of natural beauty to your living space. The lush greenery and soothing sounds of water features create a calming and inviting atmosphere, making your home a more aesthetically pleasing and appealing place to live. Incorporating an indoor courtyard garden into your home. Choose the right plants. When creating your indoor courtyard garden, selecting the right plants is essential. Opt for species that thrive indoors, require minimal maintenance, and are well suited to the level of light and humidity in your home. Examples include snake plants, peace lilies, and pothos. Consider the layout. The layout of your indoor courtyard garden should be meticulously planned. Take into account factors such as lighting, ventilation, and accessibility. The placement of your greenery and water features can greatly impact the overall ambience of the space. Choose the right materials. To maintain a harmonious and minimalist aesthetic in line with Mediterranean minimalism, select materials like natural stone, wood, and glass. These materials seamlessly integrate with the greenery and add to the overall design appeal. Water features. Water features, such as fountains or small ponds, can enhance the serenity of your indoor courtyard garden. The soothing sound of flowing water complements the greenery and adds an extra layer of tranquility to the space. In conclusion, indoor courtyard gardens are not just a trend but a beautiful and functional addition to any home. Their manifold benefits include improved air quality, reduced stress levels, increased natural light, and an enhancement of your home's aesthetics. By following the tips we've provided for incorporating an indoor courtyard garden into your living space, and drawing inspiration from real-world examples of Mediterranean minimalist houses with these green sanctuaries, you can create an environment that is as serene as it is functional. An oasis of peace and contemplation within your own home.